Welcome to Dutty Berry Show's coverage of Reggae Sumfest 2023, brought to you by Grand Palladium Jamaica Resort and Spa.
Hey, what's up, Vanessa Bling? How are you doing?
I'm fabulous. How are you?
I'm doing lovely. Must say I keep young after all of these years and stuff. What is the secret?
Trust God, pray. When you're not for the just stay home. Yeah. And just have a good heart.
Is it like going back to Jamaica in that like years ago, still have the same impact and the same love you're getting from like your loyal fans?
Honestly, it's a great feeling to know that my people still love me from 2010 until this day. It's just a great feeling and it's a humble feeling.
Name two people on the new, oh, you're not going to know that one. Name two people on the new $1,000 bill.
I don't know that.
Jesus Pim. How long should it take to travel from Kingston to Ochi?
30 minutes.
All right. What is the highest ticket price for the new Chris Brown concert?
1.5 million.
Come on, say no man, Vanessa.
What heap of money?
All right, so according to Raja Wild, what is the thing that bad biatches enjoy?
What? Roger, what?
Raja Wild. Oh God, Vanessa, if you care about Jamaica, you know. You know one song when they rock back?
No, sorry, somewhere, you don't know that one.
All right, you don't want to know. No, she's not gonna know the one here. Hold on, Jesus Christ. Oh yeah. What is the name of the dancehall artist whose name could be interpreted as minutes to 5?
Oh, 450.
Okay, thank you. That is it. Big up yourself, Vanessa. Any message that you want to say to your fans?
Yes, follow me on Instagram at Vanessa Bling, Twitter at Vanessa Bling, TikTok at Vanessa Bling. I love y'all. Peace.
And before you go, just say box cover quick and fast.
Box cover. Peace.
Whoa, what if somebody sing that?
Beautiful.